Right, last subtopic, which is on mutual inductance. So in this subtopic, you have to be able to define what is mutual inductance and use mutual inductance formula between two coaxial solenoids. Okay, so mutual induction, it is a process of producing an induced EMF in one coil due to the change of current in another coil. Okay, so macam mana ada induced EMF form? It is because there is a change of current in another coil. So the magnetic flux caused by the current in coil 1 pass through coil 2, which is nearby. Okay, so this is the ada magnetic flux lah. So as the current in coil 1 here changes with time, magnetic flux passing through this coil 2 changes with time too. Okay, so the change in flux in coil number 2 here will induce an EMF in coil 2 in accord with Faraday's law. Okay, I think it should be, I think there is a but let me just double check. All right, mutual inductance. The changes in flux inducing. Okay lah, betul lah. Right, so if the change in current takes place in coil number 2, EMF will be induced in coil number 1 lah. So the EMF induced in one coil will be proportional to the rate at which the current in other coil is changing lah. So the EMF 1 will be equal to this equation. So ingat dia punya current di sini tidak akan sama sebab the change of current at the other coil will induce a EMF in the other coil, not the same coil. Okay, so samalah di sini ya. So M ni adalah the constant of proportionality, which is called as mutual inductance. So mutual inductance ni apa pula? It is the ratio of induced EMF in the coil to the rate of change of current in another coil. Tidak terubah ke pula ni? Ni salah. Sepatutnya, what is this? Ratio. So it's gonna be EMF. Diba? Betul lah. E1. And then di1 2 over dt. Dia cakap ratio. Yeah. Okay, so sepatutnya macam tu. Tapi saya sepatutnya sudah kasih betul, tapi tidak terbetul. And then this one pun salah. Okay, so yeah. So this is NP is equal to our flux linkage, and SI unit is Henry juga. So the mutual inductance between two coaxial solenoids ataupun cord and the solenoid is this equation here lah. Okay, so let's look at example number 11, our last example. The current flowing in the first coil changes from 2 ampere to 10 ampere in 0.4 seconds. Initial is 2 ampere. Final is 10 ampere in 4 seconds. Find the mutual inductance between two coils if an EMF of 60 millivolt is induced in the second coil. So this here is happening at coil 1. Alright, so mutual inductance is equal to EMF 2 over the rate of change of current in coil 1. Alright, so this is gonna be 10 minus 2 divided by 4 seconds. This is over, and this is 60 times 10 to the negative 3. So the mutual inductance is equal to 3 millihenry. Okay, so mutual inductance, dia punya unit pun Henry lah, okay? So here is 3 millihenry. Question B pula, we have to determine the induced EMF in the second coil if the current in the first coil is changed from 4 ampere to 16 ampere in 0.03 seconds. Okay, so sekarang ni 4 ampere, and then final there is 16 ampere. The time is 0.03 seconds. So this is the diminta induced EMF lah. So sekarang ni mutual inductance dia should be equal to the above lah, but it's gonna be negative M. Dia punya current sahaja yang ada changes lah. So it's gonna be 1.2 volt lah. Sepatutnya kamu akan dapat this one. Right, so this one is final minus initial lah. Okay, so that's basically subtopic number 5, and this is all for chapter 5.